Hey guys, I'm back with another video of my rinse and repeat trading. I follow the same approach to every trade. That is, I'm looking for tickers that have fired from at least a 3-dot squeeze, sometimes a 5-dot squeeze. I look for aligned histograms on 5 time frames, and I also look for stacked EMAs on 5 time frames. Using these awesome custom scans, I'm able to easily find my A+ setup and consistently profit on trading them. Hello and welcome back. Dr. B here with Ready, Set, Grow. And on this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Check the description for the scans I used in the video, my social media handle, as well as a link to my Discord server. I ran my scans on the 2-hour time frame, and W meets all conditions for a put. It fired short on the 2-hour time frame. It also fired short for 2 bars on the 1-hour time frame. The histograms are all bearish, and the EMAs are stacked negative across 5 time frames. I'm interested in taking W short. Since W meets all conditions for a put, I'm looking at next week's contracts. I always trade in the money or at the money, so I'm going to get the 32 strike, and I'm going to enter puts for W, 25 contracts, and I am filled, and I immediately go negative if you see at the very bottom of my screen. W has gone green for me. I am up almost 8%, and I should consider taking profits now. It is 9% now, so I'm definitely interested in closing this trade and walking away with my gains. I'm going to go ahead and get my closing order ready. As I'm entering my closing order, it jumped up to nearly 12%, so I'm going to enter a sell order at the mark price of $2.17 and confirm and send. My sell order was just filled, and I am out of W at $554 in gains. Here in my Discord server, this is where I alerted the W trade, W32 put, and entry at $1.94. Let's see how members did on it. One member says DocU 15% and still going, W 9%. DocU was something that I mentioned earlier. I didn't put it in my official alerts tab, but I did mention it in my server. So he was able to make money on both of those. This member out of W at 11%. Thank you. This member out of W at 13%. Awesome. This member out of W and DocU, so he finally closed. Out DocU and W. OQ is the bomb.com. Green W, thanks. Good morning and thanks OQ, Green W and DocU. Have a great weekend. Out W Green, thanks. You are the best. Out Green W and DocU, thank you OQ. So members did well on the W alert and also on the DocU trade that I called in the server. Over in the profits tab, I only have one member that shared their profits. He made $440 on DocU and $630 on W. So obviously members are doing well on the alerts. If you're looking for a community to trade with, definitely check out our Discord server. I'll leave the link in the description. The scans I used today are 3-dot plus fired on the regular squeeze and the squeeze pro. If you're interested in these scans, they can be found on the website, and I'll also post the link in the description. If you like my content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for trading with me today, and I'll see you next time.